Ishomero rya Ryeru rikatandika umwaka gw'enkumi bwa nyuma yakayemba muniru kushanga ekizibu ekyabire kiryo muri Bunyaruguru na no kushanga ngo abazire bakaba batakunda kushomesa abana abejaba bashabwa kubino kugira imico mirungi hamwe na no kutwara kurunja abantu baburiju kandi ekigambwa ngo ishomero rya Ryeru ruturana rushomesa kurunja abeji
kayemba mazima tukusima really thank you so much kuba urugendo without you rwarutorobi ntukusima no kutureta ishomero mu district yitu ya Rubirizi kuba districts ezindi zibasa kuba zitarafunde chance nkeji konka okarondo mwanyogu watera mu ishomero we are really very grateful for that
n'abashomesa ba director b'ishomero habo buhanguzo kutufunira mu bigezo ibya senior ya mukaga mazima ntusima munonga kubange kibire hwaha kibire kirungi munonga tubasize kufuna abana batungire 20 omusayasi BCM John Chemistry Biology na Mathematics nitusima kandi nitusima munonga
rukwago Mikdadi nagira ngo tinishomero rukufa hamwe jenka Ryeru school ogu nayongera sima kayemba muniru orumukama wishomero ahabwo mwoga mahango ogwatirombyo bwegese
achievement which is I think the most remarkable achievement in the history of Ryeru schools.
There. Please come and join us at Ryeru because we still need to achieve more. I'm currently taking BCM, but I'm hopeful that I'm going to make it at my A level because the teachers that are teaching us are the best teachers in Uganda.
Beni kwa combination ya BCM na 20 points no kushemerwa kuhango abwa ishomereri ishomero rirungi munonga abwa twine laboratory nungi zituyambaho zifure equipped abashomesa barungi bizira mutindo ko environment conducive bene turasa kushoma.
Director wa Ryeru school Kayemba Muniru nagira ngo abazire bine kushomesa abana babo na no kunde by'ubwegese
tomuze daruko mu cyaro cyukuru no kureba ngo mutindo bw'ubwegese y'ungwengera higo era ntizagumuzamo tutamusenge zabu tureke mwishuri ikigendero cyite cyo kutungura nk'amashuri kaga yo mbyaro cyashye
bamwe mu beja bakozereze harimo babiri mbashoma sciences kandi bine ubonero 20 abandi babiri bine 19 na nabanda barukika 32 bahingwira kuza mu university gashakwa Ramadhan.